Hey everybody, welcome back to Diva Style. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make these bun wraps. These are super cute, and they do have little clips so that you can clip it in your child's hair. This is also something good to make to sell in your shop. This is another one. This one was actually too big for my daughter's hair. This one is for like a bigger size bun. But yes, I seen this and thought this was just the cutest thing, and I had a bag full of bows that's been left over, so I just put them on here. So let's go ahead and get up into this craft. So pretty much all you need is ribbon that is 3/8. Embellishments, I'm going to be using this right here, a lighter, your hot glue gun, and a pair of scissors. And some clips. You can even use these clips. These clips is fine. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so to get started, what you're going to do is you're going to put a loop at the tip of each one of your ribbons. And you just want it to be small enough to where your other corresponding ribbon can pass through it. That's pretty much the goal here. So I'm just going to go ahead, get my glue gun, put a little bit of glue right there. And then I'm going to do the same thing for this one. And then my daughter, she's also making this with me. So this is a great craft for your teenagers to do as well. Alright, now the only thing you're going to do is, of course, pass your ribbon through each other. Okay, as you can see, I have the black through the gray. Once you do this, you're going to take your ribbon and you're going to fold it like this. You're going to make a loop, and you're going to pass it through this loop. Okay, so once you pass it through, you're going to just go ahead and pull this tight to tighten everything up. And it's okay to have this one bigger because you'll tighten it later. And so go ahead and loop this and pull this through. Hold on, you guys. I want to start this the other way. I just realized my polka dots are not showing. Okay, I'm gonna do it this way. Now let's go ahead. Alright, so once you pass that through, you make a loop and go ahead and tighten this black one. Get your black loop, put that one through the gray, tighten the gray one up. At the same time, pull on it just a little bit. Then you're going to make another loop with the gray. Take the gray one through. Now you're going to tighten this black one up. And as you can see, you are starting to get that weaving pattern. Alright, now I'm pretty much done, so I'm going to go ahead and just cut these ends off. And everybody ends theirs differently. Let me go ahead and seal this. go ahead and seal that too. Only thing I'm going to do is just glue these down. Trying to see which side I'm going to glue it on. I'm just going to glue this right here. So I'm actually going to cut that down some more. Yep, right there. Then I'm going to glue that one up. Alright, so I guess this side is going to be the front because I put glue on the back. So this is going to be my front. And I'm just going to go ahead and glue the button on, I guess, on this side. I'm glue the button right there. Then I'm going to grab some rhinestones because I would like to add some rhinestones. Alright, you guys, so this is how they turned out. Look at that. I think that is super cute. This is my daughter's one that she made. Cute. And now all you're going to do is you can take these clips. You can even take, you know, a lined clip. And only thing you want to do now is just, how did I do my daughter's? Because hers was like perfect. Okay, so you want it to go out this way. I actually don't want these to be on here permanent, just in case I gotta move it. So I'm just gonna put these like this. But you can glue your clips down. I'm not gonna glue my clips down, and then of course, you know, it just clips into your child's head. Like I said, I'm not gluing mine down at all. I don't want to glue it down. And you don't even need two clips really, because when you bring it to the other side, you can just clip it, you know, in itself. But it's up to you if you put two clips, one clip, no clip, just like I'm doing. Yeah, so that is pretty much how we did the bun wrap with the woven ribbon. This is 3/8 ribbon. You guys, this is a super simple, easy craft. Like I said, my daughter did this with me. It was super fun for us to do. This is how these turned out. Like I said, this one is too big. This one is for someone with a bigger bun, but still cute. So if you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.
Bye.